Alright, but in more news from back home, the latest on the quota debate in Maharashtra, it's split not just the SSC and non-SSC board students down the middle, but their families as well.
And of course now it's a big political issue, not surprising perhaps, with just months to go for assembly elections in Maharashtra. Prachi Jatania has more.
प्रोपोर्शनल देखिए 90-10 के आसपास आता है उसमें पूरे बच्चे एडमिट हो जाएं कहीं पर किसी को दिक्कत नहीं आएगी अभी सबको मिलेंगे.
Ahead of Maharashtra assembly polls, the politics over quota is heating up. After the state government, the Shiv Sena has now jumped into the reservation debate. A day after dozens of ICSE students moved the Bombay High Court against the state government's decision to reserve 90% junior college seats for SSC students, the Shiv Sena student wing along with Parents Association has filed a petition in support of the reservation for state board students.
In spite of getting into the merit list, the SSC student will stand 30th or 40th in the rank in the good college like Ruparel Ruia. So that is also injustice to them. So if we are talking to injustice to the ICSE CBSE students, SSC students will face also the injustice.
Parents of the ICSE students are not surprised that the issue is being politically exploited, but they hope the legal outcome will be in their favor.
All political parties got onto the bandwagon. Why only the Shiv Sena? Every political party has come up in support, and that's not unusual because when you are having such a volatile resolution.
With over 2 lakh SSC students competing with 15,000 students from ICSE and CBSE boards, the battle of the boards is getting cutthroat. With over 6 public interest litigations on the issue from various student groups and even political parties keen to milk the issue in an election year, the quota debate has split the SSC and non-SSC students down the middle, a split that could create chaos in the admission process. In Mumbai, Prachi Jatania.
That's it on Breakfast with India. Thanks very much for watching.